How to withdraw Sweatcoin to Gcash. So if you want to withdraw Sweatcoin to Gcash, then first you need to open up your Sweatcoin application. And after that, go with the upper right, which has that coins or wallet. And here you will be able to see your coins, how many coins you have on your home page of the application. Simply tap on the button in the corner. This will provide you with the option to visit the shop where you can spend your Sweatcoins as well as the opportunity to earn more by completing the free offers within the application. So as you scroll, you'll notice the option to pay with Sweatcoin Special and Spotlights. This option allow you to purchase product directly using your Sweatcoins. However, currently the option to withdraw the Sweatcoin to Gcash isn't available. The functionality of Sweatcoin is primarily focused on accumulating and spending them within the app ecosystem, and you'll not be able to withdraw Sweatcoin to your Gcash. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.